Now, this is my cat. He likes to play with a mouse. And he really does. And it's really funny because he looks so cute. Anyway, this morning when we went to check on the cats, something hilarious happened. The kittens are in the bed, and then we were going to go pet one after, and then it just hissed at us when we put our arms out, and it hissed at us again when we put our arms out, and then we left the bathroom, but I wanted to go check on the orange one because it left the bed and it was behind the toilet, but apparently I was scared for that thing to hiss at me because I don't want to get jumped on. And they're really cute now. And well, like they were always cute, but they're very cute when they're playful, and they're very playful now. And please check out my other videos, like my kitten's first encounter with a toy, my kitten's first adventure, and Life's Like a Song, and Just One Glue Stick. And now I'm going to show you how to make one of your own toys. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is get a stick and then a mouse. I like to use the ones full of catnip. See? And then you're going to need some string. Okay. First, you take the stick and you get some string. Oh, I'm probably going to need the scissors for this too. This is hard to cut. So, you're done with the string, but you tie the string onto the stick. Let me just tie this. Okay, and now you tie it to the mouse's tail. And any color works, but try to use the color your cats like best to attack. Hold on, this is just kind of difficult. And there you have it. Now let's go check on the kittens, see what they think of this toy. Now we have 2 toys. One for each kitten. Hey, don't touch the string. This one seems very uncomfortable. Oh, this is so cute. Adorable. Isn't this adorable? As I said in my last video, they don't have names yet. And we just got them yesterday, but it'll be like, by the time this video gets uploaded, maybe like 2 days ago, but I don't know.
Leave a comment. What should we name these cats?
We might decide today, but we're not sure.
But if we don't, just tell us in the comments below.
Yeah.